Second way to figure out the gender of the article, gender of the noun is body tone. Means meaning. First one is tag. All tag are all tag all days are masculine. Munad means month. All month all months are masculine. Tag Satan means tag Satan. Morning Morgan Morgan Mittwoch sorry Morgan Mittag Abend are masculine except Nacht because Nacht is a feminine. Die Nacht. Fourth point is Tara Satan. All seasons are masculine. Means Zoma, ruling, winter, all are masculine. And the last point is all car brands are masculine.